Hello, my name is Arthur Handson with BioBlasting. I'm the founder of BioBlasting, which is a company that manufactures non-toxic products. The main non-toxic product that we manufacture is BioBlasting Disinfectant. BioBlasting Disinfectant is made with all natural and organic ingredients. What's nice about this is, being that it is non-toxic, we're able to spray down large rooms, cut down on human error, and also eliminate human error from the areas that they might not hit otherwise. Another nice thing about our product is the EPA registrations that we hold on this. We're a USDA organic certified company. We also have 30 EPA registrations, everything from food, pet, and medical. Medical being very important at this time because of this virus, the SARS-CoV-2, which is also the coronavirus. What's nice about our product is we received the emerging pathogen claim to kill this coronavirus, which is very important at this time. So that's one of the most important things about our product right now, is being able to deliver an organic product to the market to help control and combat this virus and this outbreak.